Logarithms, right? What exactly are logarithms? Just see. When we talk about the logarithms part, right? See, when I give you these kind of questions, 2 raised to power x is equals to 8. So you have to basically find out the power of x. You have to find out that what power of 2 should give me 8. Are you understanding my point?
Yeah.
So you factorize 8, and then you see that 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 1, 2. So you have 2 cube, and thereby you say that x is equals to 3. Yes or no? Similarly, when you say 2 raised to power x, or not just 2 raised to power, any power. So you say, 3 raised to power x gives me 81. So you have to find out a power here, that what power of x should give me 81. So you factorize 81. What do? You say that, 2 times what? Or 3 times some smallest number which can divide 81. So you know that 3 times 27 shall give me 81. Then you have to think again the smallest number which would divide 27. So 3 times 9 should give me 27. And then I know that 3 times 3 shall give me 27, and 3 times 1 shall give me 3. So I know that 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 shall give me 3 raised to power 4, and 3 times 3 9, 9 times 3 27, 27 times 3 81. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So when I study about these questions, just understand that you're writing 3 raised to power x shall be 3 raised to power 4. Yes or no? When we are doing this particular part, just understand it's very simple. You can easily say that ma'am x is equals to 4. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
So when we're talking about logarithms, basically, logarithms is all about finding this unknown power. But just the way of writing is becoming different. You understand? Logarithms is all
Right.
about finding this unknown power, but just the way of, solving the powers is becoming different. The way of writing has also become different. So what exactly is going to happen? Just understand when we are writing about the logarithms, just see. When we are writing about the logarithms, what exactly is going to happen? Just see. The way they are going to write down in log, they will say it like this way. They will say log 8 is equals to the base 2 is x. How do they read it out? This answer they write just besides the log. Okay, and this is the base because if you read, this is my base. X is the power or the exponent. The power is also called as a exponent. And 8 is coming out to be my answer. 8 is coming out to be my answer. I hope you're understanding.
Yeah.
So, how do I sort of read this? I'm going to read it as just see. Just have a look at the circle. So, 2 raised to power what? X. 2 raised to power what? X gives me 8. You have to think like that. That if I say log 1024 to the power 2 to the base 2 is what? So you will say what? The 2 is written right at the bottom. So this is my x, this is my base. So 2 raised to the power what will give me 1024. Are you understanding? 2 raised to the power what shall give me 1024. Understood or not? Okay. So I'm telling you 2 raised to the power 10 is 1024 basically. You can try it out like multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 10 times. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
And that shall give you 1024. So your answer shall here be 10. Simple, isn't it? You understand the point.
Yes.
So basically, the point here is what? That when we are explaining logarithms, when we are explaining logarithms, we have to write down. So I could have written that in a very simple language also, that what is 2 raised to power x is 102 4. Find out x. This is also one way of writing down, isn't it? But I am not writing it down like this. This is a better version of writing it down. Understand that why do we use this? Now if I ask you to calculate what is 2 raised to power x gives me 1.7. Now this becomes a difficult question, right? Up till now it was very easy. 2 raised to power x was 8. 2 raised to power x was 72 or something. And we were trying to find out x, and that was manually possible. But now if I say 2 raised to power x gives me what? 1.7. Is it possible to solve it easily manually? No. And because of this, we have devised the log table. You understand my point?
Yeah.
So that is the concept. That is the concept. So you have to understand this part, that when we are doing the log, now tell me my answer. If I'm saying log 125 to the base 5, what is log giving me as an answer? Log as an answer is giving me the power. You have to ask yourselves, 5 raised to the power what? This x shall give me 25. So basically, it is trying to tell me that, put it in this form. 5 raised to power x shall give me 125. Understood or not? If it gives me what? If it gives me log 216. So that means what? And if I am written down here 6. So you have to think in your mind that 6 raised to the power what? X should give me 216. So you will write it down. 6 raised to power x shall give me 216. So this is going to become 5 cube. So x here is going to be 3. Are you understanding?
Yeah. Got it.
Here it is going to be 6 into 6 into 6. So here also somehow it is going to be 3 only. If I give you this, a log 32 to the base 2, can you now tell me the answer? Log 100 to the base 10. So you have to think in your mind that 10 raised to power what should give me 1000. So obviously 10 times 10 times 10 shall give me 1000. In the similar lines, you think like this: 10 raised to power what should give me 100. So it should be 10 times 10 100. Very simple.
Right.
So 10 times 10, basically 10 square is 100. So it is going to be 10 square. So here the power should be what? Because here I am writing down as an answer as a power. So here it should be
Yeah.
2, 10 raised to power 2. Now the
Yes.
answer to this question is log 1 to the base 10. The question, the reason, now tell me, log 1. Understand, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything. You know, even if you do, even if you do any big number raised to power 0, the answer shall be 1.
Right.
Anything raised to power 0. You must have done that. Anything raised to power 0 is 1.
Yeah.
Right? So how do we sort of solve this? So you tell me 10 raised to power what should give me 1. So the question is asking you 10 raised to power what should give me 1. So 1 is nothing but 10 raised to power 0. So x should be 0. Understood or not?
Yes.
On the similar lines, if I say this, tell me log mm, to the base 5, log 1 to the base 5. Tell me the answer.
That'll be 0 also.
0 again. Because 5 raised to power 0 shall give me 1.
Yeah.
So this log as an answer is giving me power. That what power should I raise the base to, so as to get my this answer. Now tell me again.
Right.
If I give you log to the base 10, 0.1. How would you understand the answer to this question? Tell me.
Right. So we need to find out what we would raise 10 with to get 0.1.
Yeah.
So
Now tell me, what is 0.1? 0.1 is nothing but 1 over 10.
yeah, so it should be -1.
Yes. Because 1
Okay.
over 10 is 10 raised to the power minus 1. So 10 raised to the power what should give me 0.1? Minus 1. Because here itself you have calculated the answer. If I give you 0.0001 or just one thing, if I am giving you log of 0.0025 to the 5, base 5, what should be the answer? It is going to be 25 over 10,000. Oh, that is too much for you. Forget about it. I should have given 0.25.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. So 25 upon 100. So how much do you think it is going to become? Tell me. This is basically 5 square over 10 square. So this is going to become basically what? This is going to become 0.5 into 0.5. That is why you get 0.25, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
So this is going to become 0.5 square basically. And what is 0.5? 0.5 is what? 5 over 10 raised to power 2. Mm, I think I have given a wrong question to you. How should I give it to you? Yeah, I should have changed the base. Now you tell me the answer. Now what sense does it make to you? Tell me. 25 raised to power what power should give you 0.25? 25 raised to power x should give me 0.25, isn't it? So it is going to be this 100. So 25 raised to power x should be 25 raised to power minus 2. It is also a wrong question. Forget about this. I'll give you some more questions on that. But do you understand this part, Shruti? How
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
basically understand what log is. Anyway, forming questions is difficult. So if I give you log, mm, what should I give you to not something difficult and still easier? Okay, 10 raised to power. Yes, tell me the answer. Log 0.027 raised to power to the base zero point 0.3. Tell me.
Oh, okay. So we do 3 over 10. That should give us 3.
3. Hmm. Good job. Now you got the point. You understand what log is.
Yeah.
Now write down the values of certain important values you need to know. So what is the answer? It is log 1 shall always be 0. Now you know that. Log 2, you remember the value is 0.3010.
Hello?
Yes, yes, Shruti. Yeah, yeah, I'm right here.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yes.
All right. So write on the value. So log 3 shall be, so with others, be doing a class today.
Yeah, yeah, I thought after me it will be his class.
Okay. Log 4 shall be 0.6020. I'll tell you how these values have come up. But up till now, just remember how to do these values.
Okay, right.
Log 2 shall, log 6 shall be, log 6 shall be 1 and 8 and 7 and 7. So log 7 shall be how much? 0.8. Log 8 shall be 2, 14, 15. What is log 10, Shruti? If nothing is written here, understand. If nothing is written at the base, it is base 10. All the questions have been calculated to the base 10 here in this question.
Okay,
So 10
okay.
raised to power this shall give me 3. 10 raised to power this shall give me this. 10 raised to power this shall give me this. 10 raised to power this shall give me this. 10 raised to power this shall give me this. Do you understand?
Yeah,
So that is the part. What shall be log 10 to the base 10? Tell me.
it'll just be one.
That will be 1. Yes. Okay. So these are certain values, and I'll explain it to you how these values actually came, because only then you will be able to understand the questions. Now, for example, you understand if I have to tell you find the pH, okay? So write down the formula of pH. It is minus log of H plus ion concentration. That is the formula of pH. And because the formulas of pH and pOH are including the log, that is why the basic necessity is to learn the log, how to calculate it, right? Because calculator cannot help you for a long time. You need to modify, simplify the questions first and then use the calculator. Understood? Right, Shruti? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, Shruti. I'm right here. Hello?
Yeah, your voice keeps breaking off, so hello?
Yeah, hello. Hello? I'm right here.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, I am right here.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Is it so?
I'm not
Yeah.
sure if it's my internet, but keeps breaking off.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's fine. You can now call others if he's ready.
Okay, yeah, I'll let him know.
Mm.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye.